You know, man, some niggas is scared of a chick that got her own bag. They feel intimidated and shit. You know what I'm saying? These women rule shit.
Buy your own bags, you working for it. Steady popping tags, you working for it. Niggas out here looking bad, cause you working for it. You working for it, shout it, you working for it. You working for it, you working for it. Niggas out here throwing cash, cause you working for it. Got your kids about the trap, cause you working for it. You working for it, shout it, you working for it.
These days, women be out here working more harder than some niggas be spending cash, buying bags, popping tags. Woo. Ain't relying on no niggas' needs. She like real figures. She want that good life, shopping sprees, private flight, shined up like a diamond heist. She want Giuseppe's, a Tiffany necklace. Room 50 floors up when she wake up for breakfast. She don't need no nigga, she be mobbing. Learn how to get to the money back in college. She working harder than these hoes. She hella active. She buying bitches in the game, pole practice. Break it off, take it off. Shout it ass, crazy soft. Booty shots are not, niggas pay them off. She love to suck it off, hands off. She'll let you shoot at her like a standoff. She a freak, she no magic. Deep throat, the whole package. She fucked that nigga 2 months ago, he can't leave her alone. She bought a house in a condo, but she ain't never home.
Damn. That bitch a boss. I see you. Yeah. Get your bag.
Buy your own bags, you working for it. Steady popping tags, you working for it. Niggas out here looking bad, cause you working for it. You working for it, shout it, you working for it. You working for it, you working for it. Niggas out here throwing cash, cause you working for it. Got your kids about the trap, cause you working for it. You working for it, shout it, you working for it.
I know a boss bitch with a lot of commas. Straight to the cash, she ain't got no time for drama. I know a boss bitch with a lot of commas. Straight to the cash, she ain't got no time for drama. I know a boss bitch with a lot of commas. Straight to the cash, she ain't got no time for drama. I know a boss bitch with a lot of commas. Straight to the cash, she ain't got no time for drama.
Buy your own bags, you working for it. Steady popping tags, you working for it. Niggas out here looking bad, cause you working for it. You working for it, shout it, you working for it. You working for it, you working for it. Niggas out here throwing cash, cause you working for it. Got your kids about the trap, cause you working for it. You working for it, shout it, you working for it.
Hey man, I fuck with a chick that's doing her own thing, getting her own bag. Ain't worried about no nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's a new time, man. It's a new day, man. You niggas can't have everything no more, man. These bitches got weed and shit too, man. I'm telling you.